Hi, my name is Youngji Lee, and I'll be sharing chapter 3, 4, and 5 from the book Your Field Guide to Real World Projects in the Digital Age by Susie Boss and Jane Krause. And this is chapter 3, and I would like to start with you by asking a question. How do you prepare for a trip? What do you do? A good project gets to the heart of a discipline, but when students are taught from published curriculums, it is already broken into digestible bits. Students may learn no more than what the textbook publishers imagined for them. Curriculum standards, I say nowadays, Common Core standards, what do they add up to? Instead of teaching what is already processed for the students, for example, we could use Wiki. The website allows users to add and edit content collectively and online from any computer with an internet connection. Useful for planning and managing a project. Learning disposition is taught less through direct teaching, but more through experiences and encouragement. How students approach learning, there are two kinds. Fixed mindset. They believe that intelligence is inborn and either you have it or you don't. The other type is growth mindset. They believe that effort plays a greater role than smarts in one's ability to learn something new. Which one are you? Keep your students in mind. Imagine emerging project ideas from students' point of view. You need to spark students' curiosity. Learning is interesting and important. Tap students' enthusiasm, where they have their enthusiasm at. Explicit teaching of self-management means providing tools to help manage time and modeling read and draft. Now, chapter 4. Let's find out what kind of strategies that we have. Learning through observation occurs in real life. It's not somewhere like far away that we have to look for. It's not hard. It could be in students' daily activities or traveling to and even from school. Students' hobbies, maybe just spending some time at home. Review existing plans with collaborating teachers first. For example, I earn PBLU Global School Net. You know where critical thinking comes from? Examine the work of others, engaging in critical thinking, and informational literacy in students. Electronic slideshow is not a quality project. Reaching significant learning outcomes, consider whether technology is used to meet authentic learning goals, such as, is this bringing people together? Is this connecting students to rich data or primary sources, or provide unique and high-quality learning products? Thematic teaching is not project-based learning. Wary of over-prescriptive projects. Assessments need to happen early and often in PBL. Real-world work should be assessed in a way that mirrors real-world measures of quality. Where do good projects come from? You need to think outside thematic topics. A student's interest and curiosity drive learning experiences. Engage students by setting up a situation that they want to learn and need to know something they don't already know. Now, chapter 5. Now, how can we make assessment meaningful? PBL means project-based learning. Also means personalized learning and unique experience. During projects, students should go through progress of activities, questioning, investigating, making sense of what they discover, asking more questions, doing more research until they emerge with new understanding. Now, should we review? Okay, I won't do that, but remember, from chapter 3, how do you prepare a trip? Authentic assessment in PBL. Do you remember what PBL was? Project-based learning. It is a powerful teaching and learning is not through national tests, but it is through assessments developed with local communities, teachers, parents, and community members. Now let's see what kind of assessments there are. One of the types is summative assessment. This means to circle back to project planning and imagine the kinds of activities students would need to engage in concepts, skills, and disposition. The questions that needed to be asked for summative assessment is, how my students show that they understand a new concept? How about finding out whether they have improved skills when it comes to reading, writing, or researching? How would you know whether they have gains when it comes to learning dispositions? One other assessment would be rubrics. Rubric is a scoring tool that communicates expectations around concept attainment and growth in skills and processes. Rubrics reflect growth in certain skills and dispositions that were focused on during the project. The last one will be formative assessment. It enables you to guide students' effort toward learning goals you established, making necessary adjustments to help them achieve quality results. Different methods of formative assessments. 1. Set milestones, which means to check and mark phases of activity for teachers to check, correct, redirect, or reteach. Second one, plan check-ins. System for regular team or individual for brief meetings or brief meetings or written updates to discuss learning skills and process. Look for other progress markers, which means to guide learning, not too many assessments, but involve partners to maybe interview each other or dictate one another instead of paper and pencil all the time. This will be the end of my summary for chapter 3, 4, and 5. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you and bye.